There is no bad weather, there is bad clothing. The English say, there is no bad weather, there is bad clothing, which means that they like all seasons, all kinds of weather. Each season is beautiful in its own way. Each person likes one or another season of the year. It depends on their character, mood. Someone loves autumn. This season of the year is full of colours, bright and delicious. The sky is blue, but sometimes grey clouds appear. The sun shines but begins to hide behind the clouds. Its rays are not so warm. Autumn is full of vegetables and fruits, mushrooms and berries. There is nothing better than Indian summer in autumn. Some people like to walk on a carpet of bright leaves, listen to the last songs of birds flying to warm countries, look at nature. It is like a fairy tale. It fades and nothing can be done. Soon the drizzle will begin and everything will become boring and sad. But still, autumn is wonderful. Winter is often long and harsh with dark nights and severe frosts. Sometimes you can even see a quiet winter frosty day. It is snowing. Fluffy, soft snowflakes fall to the ground, forming a beautiful, thick carpet. Ice floes sparkle in the sun. The snow sparkles like diamonds. Being outdoors in such weather is pleasant. Many people go to the forests and enjoy sledding and skiing, playing snowballs and making snowmen. As for spring, people long for it and dream about it during the long winter days. It comes late, but suddenly. Spring is the beginning of a new life. Nature wakes up from a long winter sleep. Trees begin to bloom, and soon tiny green leaves will appear. Young green grass appears, fruit trees begin to bloom. Everything looks magical, covered with a green carpet. Nature looks full of promise. Many people, especially children, like summer because they have vacations and enjoy a break after the school year. Every season is beautiful and attractive.